Verity James from Friends of Hollingworth. I am the event organiser, so I have organised the festival for the village and surrounding villages to bring the community together. It's going fantastically well. We've had a really busy day. Lots of families from young to old really enjoying themselves, and there's lots and lots of things for everybody to do.
This old shoe and the water on the ground, ain't got no place else it's found, so it's only got one thing left to do. Creep on in, creep on in, and once it has to go, won't stop until it's done sneaking in.
And have you got a message for the people of Glossop?
Yes, this is an amazing, beautiful event for the whole of the community, the whole of the surrounding area. Make sure you come and join us next year.
And creep on in, creep on in, and once it has to go, won't stop until it's done sneaking in. Creep on in, creep on in, and once it has to go, won't stop until it's done sneaking in.